Are you looking for an amazing pool home in a gated community? I got exactly what you're looking for. Over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, plus a loft, completely upgraded. You've got to check this out. I'm Laura Coffey with Real Brokerage. Let's go check out Juniper Springs.